I think coming to MTS is one of the best decisions I've made. My name is Gaviria. I'm from the US and Colombia, and I chose MTS because I wanted to get some experience in the motorsports world, and it really caught my attention, the fact that it had both practical and theoretical experience. So one of my dreams in motorsports would be to reach Formula One. I think MTS has definitely helped me a lot. It's helped me gain experience on track and experience with making decisions in a quick time frame, decisions under pressure. It's definitely very nice to be able to work here physically with the cars, work as a team with other engineers, and be also very independent with our choices and with the decisions we take on how we approach the job. So I'd say that's what sets MTS apart. If you're thinking about diving into the motorsports world, MTS is a great place to start.